stop. If you're thinking about buying GeminAI 3.5, there's something you need to know first. This isn't just another AI upgrade. It's a next-generation multimodal powerhouse designed to outperform older models in speed, accuracy, and creative output. Most creators and businesses are stuck juggling multiple AI subscriptions. GeminAI 3.5 changes that by combining advanced text, image, audio, and video generation into one seamless platform, with enterprise-level performance at a fraction of the cost. And if you grab GeminAI 3.5 through my link below this video, you'll unlock my exclusive bonus package worth $599, free. These bonuses are designed to help you monetize faster and scale your AI-powered projects. What is GeminAI 3.5? It's Google's latest multimodal AI system, engineered for ultra-fast reasoning and responses, high-quality text generation for blogs, ads and scripts, image and video creation with cinematic detail, audio synthesis for podcasts, music and voiceovers, and real-time translation and research capabilities. Benefits: why people are interested. Multimodal power, text, images, audio, and video in one model. Speed, faster responses and smoother workflows. Accuracy, improved reasoning and fewer errors. Scalability, handles personal projects and enterprise workloads. Future-proof, built to integrate with upcoming AI tools and updates. Inside, what you get. Access to GeminAI 3.5's full multimodal suite. Text, image, audio, and video generation, advanced translation and research modules, cloud-based dashboard, no installs required, and commercial license for client work. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros: simplicity. Create and edit images with text prompts, no design skills needed. One-time pricing, lifetime access during launch, no monthly fees. Commercial license: use outputs for client projects or your own business. Beginner-friendly, no technical setup required. Cloud-based, works on any device, no installs. Cons: prompt quality, output depends on how well you write prompts. Human review, some projects may still need final editing before publishing. No instant business. It's a creative tool, not a guaranteed income system. Results: what to expect. Expect faster workflows, higher quality outputs, and reduced reliance on multiple tools. Creators: produce scripts, graphics, and videos quickly. Agencies: offer multimodal content services at scale. Entrepreneurs: build products, funnels, and content businesses more efficiently. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab GeminAI 3.5 through the link below. Bonus 1, AI Content Vault. Value, $299. 300 plus prompts for blogs, ads, scripts, and social media. Bonus 2, Multimodal Success Blueprint. Value, $300. Step-by-step guide to monetize GeminAI 3.5 outputs and build recurring income streams. Total bonus value, $599. Yours, free when you get GeminAI 3.5 through my link today. So, is GeminAI 3.5 worth it? If you want to consolidate your AI tools and unlock next-level multimodal power, then, yes, GeminAI 3.5 is absolutely worth it. It's not just software, it's a complete creative and business engine. Click the first link in the description to secure GeminAI 3.5 plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.